performers भी हर किस्म के performers होते हैं who are very good with
Movement.
with movements. You know, Madhuri ji.
Yeah.
She's a brilliant dancer.
Yeah.
But I feel you just need to see her face.
Do you like horror films?
I'm telling you, I'm a horror film junkie. And in fact, I have this thing कि जाके theater में देख लो.
Stars Express.
जब मलाइका से मिलते हैं तो ओजी शब्द एक्चुअली बहुत कम लोगों के लिए अलाउड होना चाहिए. इनके लिए है.
ट्रेडमार्क कर लूं?
एब्सोल्युटली यू शुड. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइन करने के लिए. रेडियो सिटी 91.1 पर मैं सलील हूं, लेकिन आज सारी निगाहें सिर्फ मलाइका पर रहेंगी. और मुझे बहुत बड़ी एक्साइटमेंट इसलिए बात की हो जाती है बिकॉज जब लोग पूछते हैं ना इतने टाइम तक, हम भी जैसे 20 साल के लिए करें, कहते हैं डू स्टिल स्टे एक्साइटेड. व्हेन आई मीट पीपल लाइक यू, योर एक्साइटमेंट फॉर वर्क, फॉर गिविंग टॉप क्वालिटी परफॉर्मेंस प्लस, आप ऑलवेज वो रहते हैं. इट्स इनक्रेडिबल. हाउ कैन यू स्टिल बी एज एक्साइटेड अबाउट एवरीथिंग, और आर यू एक्चुअली ऑलवेज?
It's a very tough question to answer because if you take personality, I'm not like that.
करेक्ट.
Because I think I'm a very reserved sort of a person. But like you said, I think I enjoy my work so much and I feel जितना आप envelope push करोगे उतना आप better हो जाओगे. उतना जितना आप experiment करोगे काम के साथ उतना आप कुछ अलग हो जाएगा. And I feel you being in the business for what 30 years, I've had the opportunity to.
उस पे जो एक सीरियल वाला 30 years वाला आता है, but it's incredible. लोग ये भूल जाते हैं शायद.
30 years.
Wow.
So I feel every time I get a new opportunity to do something, I feel very grateful. And I feel that every time an opportunity comes, you should grab it with both hands and make the most of it. वो मेरा philosophy है.
लेकिन बाकी दुनिया तो यही सोचेगी मलाइका के तो ऐसे हजारों ऑप्शंस रोज आते होंगे, एंड यू मस्ट बी जस्ट पिकिंग एंड चूजिंग व्हाटएवर यू लाइक. ये भी होता है कि आपको बहुत केयरफुली चेक करना पड़ता है?
Of course. I mean, I think after all these years, opportunities तो बहुत सारे आते हैं. You get so many. I'm sure in your space, in your line of work, obviously बहुत सारे parameters भी होते हैं कि जैसे हम choose करते हैं कि नहीं ये करना चाहिए. You should do this because if you do this, you will benefit in whatever way. So I think of course एक thought process रहता है. Otherwise, you'll end up doing anything and everything, and then that's where burnout happens because then to sustain and stay relevant in a business where everybody is just
Of course. 15 seconds of fame.
Exactly, एक shelf life होती है. So I think to stay relevant is because you got to understand that there is a process.
Correct.
That's most important.
When she said it 30 years, my God, actually speaking and redefining it, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज भी वही अपील है on screen. I asked some yesteryear actors the other day also. I said, I asked Shah Rukh also very clearly. I said, do you still identify with Rahul and Raj? He said, when I was there at that time, I did. और मैं डायरेक्टर का एक हिस्सा हूँ. मैं जब आपको छैया पर ले जाऊँ, when people are watching it as much also, and you think of your today Malaika, people watch for Malaika. फिल्म अलग है, वो अलग है. Can you see your own journey also and you say कि इतने साल हो गए and I'm loving it, and even now I'm able to draw in audiences on my name. It's true.
जैसे आपने कहा कि whatever work you've done over the years, every now and then you go back to it, you kind of see things, you reminisce, you kind of say अच्छा ये भी किया था हमने, ये भी. You also realize कि we've also made mistakes, many mistakes over the years, and you look at it, you're like, okay, now I can learn from those mistakes and I can get better and I can do different things. But like I said, the love, the acceptance, all of it is. Sometimes it's overwhelming, but I'm also very grateful for it every single day of my life. I put in the hard work, I put in extra time, I put in the extra hard work just so that I can reinvent myself with everything that I do. Because I feel वही पुराना घिसा पिटा वही आप हर बार दिखाओ, it's never going to work.
Correct.
You have to keep reinventing yourself, however it may be, whether it's the way you look, the way you think, the way you project. एक reinvention बहुत ही important. And I think everybody who's stayed in the business at the top of their work or to span over a couple of decades is because firstly you should be okay with the fact that people perceive me a certain way.
Correct.
And I'm very comfortable with that. I'm not trying to be anybody else.
Correct.
I am very happy with the perception or this, and I've accepted that. First you should do that because
Correct,
I think बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि जहाँ पे थोड़ी बहुत confusion हो जाती है. Should you approach it like this or should you be like this? Should you be cutesy? Should you be sexy? Should you be angry? You know what I mean? Everybody has a जो भी है.
I know you've always been very comfortable with that. Yeah.
Have that, say yes, I'm very happy with it, own it, and then make the most of it.
And you are. अगर लोग पूछते हैं कि social media today runs businesses, and I was speaking to financial analysts और वो बोल रहे थे कि 9 से 10 घंटे लोग अपने फोन पर बिता रहे हैं. टुडे अ फिल्म सॉन्ग, पहले भी रेडियो पर ये होता था, एक फिल्म सॉन्ग पहले आता था रेडियो पर, वो पॉपुलर हो जाता है, उसके बाद लोग उस गाने को फिल्म में देखने जाते हैं. आज शायद वो सोशल मीडिया से होता है. यू हैव सो मेनी फैंस ऑन सोशल मीडिया ऑल्सो. दिस सॉन्ग पॉइजन बेबी व्हेन इट कम्स आउट विल बी आउट ऑन सोशल मीडिया एवरीवेयर. सब देखेंगे और आपके चाहने वाले लिखेंगे बहुत अच्छी चीजें एंड ऑल. हाउ इंपॉर्टेंट इज दैट टूल ऑल्सो फॉर यू नाउ इन योर परफॉर्मेंस करियर, सोशल मीडिया? डू यू रियली यूज इट एज अ वेपन?
It is a very relevant weapon है and it is there to stay for a very long time. It is
But लोग भी-
pros and cons तो होते हैं.
नहीं, बट कई बार लोग उसको यूज नहीं कर पाते. वो कहते हैं यार हमें देख नहीं पा रहे. हाउ टू स्टे रेलेवेंट ऑन दैट फील्ड विद सोशल मीडिया?
Okay, I'm not an expert at
Yeah.
it. I don't know, but जितना हम जानते हैं, जितना हम कर सकते हैं, हम करते हैं to stay relevant on social media. But it is such an important tool, and जैसे मैंने कहा कि it's not going anywhere
Correct.
anytime soon. In fact, it's becoming a bigger monster every single day. I mean, the more you feed the monster, the
Yeah.
you know, the bigger it's gonna get, and very important. I think जैसे आपने कहा, whether if you use it the right way, because like you said, it's एक tool है.
Yes.
आप जैसे यूज करते हो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. हाउ यू यूज इट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रमोशनल, यू नो,
Yeah.
थिंग्स लाइक दैट फॉर फिल्म प्रमोशंस और इन टर्म्स ऑफ endorsements. Or I feel today clients feel it's such an easy way. Earlier people used to have long 3-minute ad for.
Correct.
वो सब चला गया. You have to keep your audience hooked for those first 20 seconds, 30
Correct.
seconds. So I think even that medium has shortened down. It has become different. The format has changed.
Correct.
So I think with time everything has changed. We learn, we adapt. That's what life is.
Is there any nervousness ever? अभी लॉन्च हो रहा होता है, टीजर लॉन्च हो रहा है तुम्हारे
Yeah,
में.
it's too much nervousness. My biggest nervousness कि मुझे दिखा दो ना. पहले मुझे दिखाओ, कुछ तो clips दिखाओ, photos. You know, you want to
बट वेरी
see
और
it.
शूटिंग, जब आप ये गाना शूट कर रहे थे, इतना एक्सपीरियंस अभी हो चुका है कि आप जाके कहिए कभी नहीं?
वो अभी पहले भी नहीं करती थी. I don't have that habit कि हर शॉट के बाद मॉनिटर को जाके देखो कैसा. I mean, my team is there. I'm like, all good, all fine,
Yeah.
all good. I look at my director, my choreographer, fine. You're happy with it? Yes. Unless they say come and just have a look कि देख लो, what do you feel? Then I will. But ये 10 बार जाना देखना नहीं ऐसे. I'm not one of those. I think people who are doing their job know what they're doing, what they expect, and you should trust the process.
I like the sensuous dance steps also. You know, a little portion of it we were shown by what the choreographers were doing. Is dance difficult at all? कभी भी आपके लिए?
अरे बाबा बहुत difficult.
कहाँ से? आपको देख के ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है.
नहीं, that's very it's a misconception. हम डांस तो हम enjoy करते हैं, डांस हम जानते हैं, लेकिन also don't forget कि हर पीढ़ी के साथ, हर couple of years के साथ डांस का एक उनका भी एक rebirth होता है, right?
correct.
I mean the kind of moves or the kind of things we used to do 10 years back, वो change हो गया है.
Correct.
There's
आजकल तो मुझे लगता है हर कोई बहुत अच्छा डांसर
I
है.
feel कि बच्चे जानते हैं, मतलब, and I feel एक muscle memory भी होती है ना, right? I feel the kind of dance we used to do earlier वो अभी बैठ गया दिमाग में, मतलब
correct.
music चालू करो and you
Yeah.
start dancing. But it has changed, and now kids this tiny are getting the groove. They understand, they watch, reel shoot करते हैं. I mean, it's amazing. जहाँ भी जाओ, anywhere you go, man, reel shoot करते हैं. So you have to be so clued in.
I know Paps have asked you for that also sometimes. मैम हम भी थोड़ा डांस करेंगे आपके साथ में. Was this difficult at all या breeze?
नहीं डिफिकल्ट था बिकॉज आई डिडंट आल्सो ज्यादा वक्त भी नहीं मिला रिहर्स करने. बट आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स कोरियोग्राफर्स they know, they understand what looks good on you, they will keep. But ऐसे कुछ steps थे, कुछ movements थे, I'm like it's crazy. But I think they let me be, you know. They were like, you know, enjoy it, feel it, get into the groove, then हो जाता है.
मैं तो कई बार ऐसे कोरियोग्राफर्स को भी देखा है, when they bring for a film, they'll focus more on the face, और उसी में निकल जाता है, you know, because audience is there to also see मलाइका वहाँ पे है, वो भी है. So is there?
I feel performers भी हर किस्म के performers होते हैं, right? Some performers are there, for example, Madhuri ji.
Yeah.
She's a brilliant dancer.
Yeah.
But I feel you just need to see her face. And
Yeah.
it's more, you know, just the way she emotes with her face is just enough.
Correct.
It conveys so much. But there are loads of other performers who are very good with
Movement.
with movements, you know. So everybody has their own style.
Yeah.
I would like to believe I'm a little bit of both.
Yeah.
I'd like to believe that. So yeah.
Is Madhuri ji the OG dance superstar for you?
Yeah, she's always been my all-time favorite. All-time favorite, yeah.
And for men?
Wow. I think back in the day, it would be Mithunda.
Yeah.
I just love his style.
I love it.
And in today's day and age, I mean, there's so many fantastic dancers, yeah, whether it's Hrithik,
Ranbir is there also.
Ranbir,
Yeah.
yeah,
Even Allu Arjun,
yeah, there's like loads of, but I think these are the OGs, yeah.
Actually, Malaika is in like a space of her own also. That's what I really love. And this space that has been created by Maddock is incredible. You know, I was just discussing outside. And I remember watching Stree in Lucknow. You know, and when I had come and it was a houseful theater और हम देख रहे थे, हमने कहा wow, what is this? और एक जमाना ऐसा था जब लोग सिर्फ डराते थे या हंसाते थे. Combination कभी नहीं हो पाता था. They cracked the code. Do you still go to theaters, by the way, and watch a lot of cinema, or you go rarely sometimes now? The bigger ones that people have really liked, you go for that?
Yes,
Yeah.
I try. I mean,
Yeah.
I think and I say also कि आपको वो culture, you know, थोड़ा सा कायम रखना चाहिए. You should go because that is where the actual audience or let's just put it, the actual money is.
Correct,
You know,
correct,
so I feel वो करना चाहिए. हम बहुत ही comfortable हो गए घर में बैठ के टीवी पे सब देखना. But I feel every once in a while there are certain movies you want to see in a cinema hall, big screen पे. वो मजा ही कुछ अलग रहता है. And I think
And they've cracked that code with this space, this horror comedy space that they've got, which I think was very tough to crack because वो spoofy हो जाता था.
because I think back in the day we were only used to a certain kind of horror, you know, which was that
किले का रहस्य.
yeah, you know that oh, typical horror
Ramsey Brothers.
Ramsey Brothers types. You know, so people, we only knew, we've grown up on that.
Yeah.
And then to now have the horror comedy space, which I think is brilliant. It's amazing. It's one of my most favorite genre of films. So yes, I'm very happy to be part of Kama.
I think they wanted you to be part of this totally only because I think Maddox Films की films एक अलग fan base है, गाने का अलग fan base है. And the songs, I said this also with Stree 2 also, I think Madhuvanti and Tamanna should have got 150 crores out of that 600 also. क्योंकि already इतना promote किया था.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
you know, that जो उनके films में जो गाना एक अलग सा craze हो जाता है. अलग सा एक, like you said, the film and the song.
Absolutely.
You know? I mean, they're two entities that are, and then they just come together. But yes, I think, and every single film, whichever girls have done the songs, they have been incredible.
That's why this was an easy yes for you also?
No. Yes, but it was very, I felt too much pressure, I'll be very honest.
Of course.
There was just way too much pressure because it was a completely new setup for
Yeah.
me. After very long, I'm doing a song and yeah, so I felt थोड़ा बहुत pressure था, लेकिन
This is going to be another 100 crore song. Picture गई बाद में, and also, listen, you have two debutantes in this space with you. Ayushmann and Rashmika have not done this space also.
That is
so that is so it's actually a new setup
Yes.
for them. I'm looking forward to this because मुझे लगता है कि ये space बहुत कमाल का explore हुआ है और कितनी बार भी दिखा दो public उतना ही हंस जाती है. But if I go into horror space with you, do you like horror films?
I'm telling you, I'm a horror film junkie.
Yeah.
Complete junkie. And in fact, I have this thing कि जाके थिएटर में देख लो, वो भी रात के 9 बजे, you know, वो वाला शो,
Yeah.
everybody वो, you know, चीख रहे हैं वहाँ पे, you know, it's a weird thing, but I love it.
I remember रामपाल वर्मा की पिक्चर में जब घंटी भी आती थी.
चिल्लाते थे.
Yeah, because it was so loud it was. And I think
I remember back in the day, I don't know, it's weird. I remember which was that? वो कौन सी थी? Raz. And every time वो, you know, वो बाल उठता था. You know, I used to be like, I remember that I was so scared.
Yeah.
But yeah, I love this. I love this space.
In the बचपन में जब horror film देखते थे, कंबल में जाके सो जाते थे. I used to always think that somebody is coming behind you. Did you ever have any of these kind of memories with horror with you? That you thought somebody was coming behind you and you know
All the time.
come across,
Yeah?
yeah?
वो फिल्म देखने के बाद भी लगता है कि कोई आ रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है. You feel something. It happens. All of us feel it. Yeah.
Now you're going to be part of this space, but of course it's horror comedy also, and I can't wait to see. I don't know. Sometimes I feel that Malaika, although we see so much of you, thanks to the Paps a lot also, thanks to social media also, but I feel that this space is also something that you should come back, like the larger screen.
That's why I feel कि I'm very happy to be part of it. बहुत सारे गाने आते हैं, offers आते हैं, but I feel to be part of the right setup, the right film, the right makers at a certain stage of your life, बहुत ही important है. And I think this for me is God sent. I really am really happy about it.
100 crores for the song, not the
मेरे
film.
account में.
वो तो वैसे हो भी सकता है. I think you should get percentages also. Eventually ये हो ही जाएगा. Thank you so much मुझे join करने के लिए.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure, but unfortunately always very short-lived when we get time with Malaika. I would one day want to spend a long time with you.
चलो,
And we pick
आप
your.
आ जाओ.
But I honestly think बहुत सारी लड़कियां और लोग आपको इतना admire करते हैं for your blueprint, for how you've gone about workspace. You know, like you said, आज भी जब आप 30 years बोलते हो, it's a really big deal. It's a really big deal. And to
For a
still
woman, that's more for a woman. I
वो तो impossible. I don't think there are too many anyway. And to still be leading. So that's why. Thank you so much for doing this with us.
think. That's very kind.
And we're going to see soon. और ये देख भी पाएंगे आप, सुन भी पाएंगे Radio City पर. I'll catch you soon. Bye bye and take care.
Radio City.